Learn how to colorize one of your illustrations. The first step is to make a new Photoshop file. Go to File, New, or Command N. Choose the A4 option, Orientation Landscape, and say Create. Hit Create. You should get a blank document like this. You want to have your layers palette showing. If that's not showing, you can always find it in the window menu by clicking on the blue layers tab there. Once you've got the document open, we want to colour the background layer. There's the background layer. To pick a colour, I want you to go to this little area down here at the bottom of the toolbar. That's your toolbar. You can click it and move it around. This is called the colour picker. If you double click on it, it will open up the colour picker and you can pick a colour. You can also go to colour libraries and select a Pantone colour of your choosing. That will give you an exact match. For example, if a client has a logo they wish to be a particular colour. So pick a colour that you want to use for your background and say OK. You will see that it now appears as the foreground colour. When you use your paint bucket tool, this one here, and just click in the canvas, you can see that your background layer has now filled with that particular colour.